What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and in this video I'm going to break down why Google and YouTube are actually 10 times better for you and your business if you've got little money and you're looking for a long-term growth as opposed to Facebook and Instagram. And if you guys stick with me here to the end, I'm going to give you guys a free guide on how to go through and help you use YouTube and Google to maximize your marketing and your lead generation for your business. And just make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because I launch new videos every single week on how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. So let's just break this down really quick. First of all, Facebook and Instagram are amazing tools. Most of my videos on this channel are actually about Facebook advertising, about Instagram, about all that stuff, and it's worked amazingly well for me. But the thing is a lot of times that Facebook, you need money to go through and advertise your business, which a lot of business owners, they don't really have the money to go through and advertise. So I want to kind of break down 3 different key steps and why I believe that Google and YouTube are actually better for you if you have little money and you want long-term sustainable growth for your business. So step number 1, guys, Google and YouTube, they stand the test of time, right? So if you look at this, you look at Facebook or Instagram, you go through, you build a big following on Facebook or Instagram, you go and you make a post, okay, on your Facebook page. Now I've got like over 30,000 followers on my Facebook page, but less than 1 or 2% of people actually see that post unless I put money behind that. And you can already see Instagram's making all these algorithm updates and they're pretty much headed the same direction. So that's just something you got to kind of prepare for, mentally just know as you're going through and building your following with Mark Zuckerberg's platforms, right? And on top of that, when you make a post, okay, it's only relevant for the next day or two, right? Because people are going through their newsfeed and it's more of a time-based newsfeed. So if you're going through and posting something, it's only going to be relevant for the next 1 to maybe 3 days max. Whereas with Google or YouTube, what you can do is you can optimize your videos for keywords. And so a video that you made 6 months ago, a year ago, 5 years ago, it can still go through and generate massive amounts of traffic for you in your business. So for example, this video right here, I'm not really targeting any specific keywords. So it's probably gonna get, a decently high spike of views initially, but just like Facebook or Instagram, after some time, the views are just gonna go down and it's probably just gonna get lost in the shuffle of all of the other YouTube videos that are out there. Whereas this video right here that I'll put right up here, this is a video I did back in January, the first week of this year, and it has absolutely gone viral. It's gone explosive because it's ranking, I think, number 1 or number 2 for the keyword Facebook pixel. Okay, now that is a highly searched term that people are going through and trying to find videos of how to go through and what the Facebook pixel is and how to use it and going all through that stuff. And it's gotten, I think, like 30,000 views or something like that to this point, and that's in the last 6 months. And I'm still getting thousands of views every single month from that video that I posted a long time ago. So it's not one that's gonna get completely lost in the shuffle. Or you look at this video right here, okay, this is, I think it's the average cost of dental implants. That's actually what got my feet wet in the whole digital marketing world. I started this dental YouTube channel, a dental website, and this video still today gets me hundreds if not thousands of views every single month. That it's just like, I think it's got over 500,000 views now just on that one video. Okay, so I posted that about 5-6 years ago and it's still getting traction, it's still getting exposure. If I had it all set up to go through and generate leads, which I do on the Facebook Pixel one, I would still be generating leads every single day, 100% for free without spending any money. And it's gonna continue to do that 6 months from now, a year from now, 5 years from now, and just building my brand. Whereas going back with Facebook and Instagram, you either got to spend more money or you just got to keep making those posts because they're just going to get lost in the shuffle. All right, so the number 2 reason why I believe that Google and YouTube really for beginners is much better platform and someone with no money, and that is because of the user's intent, right? So when you go on Facebook or Instagram, why do you go on Facebook or Instagram? You're usually wanting to go through and interact. It's a social environment. You're wanting to go through and connect with your friends, see what they're doing, see their posts, see their pictures, see all that stuff. And any advertising or promotional material for a business, you more have to like grab that person's attention and distract them from what they were already doing, okay? They don't go there necessarily to be sold. Whereas with Google or even YouTube, people are literally typing in search terms to go through and find specific solutions to their problems. So for example, when they type in Facebook pixel to find my video, right? They're wanting to understand what the Facebook pixel is and how to go through and implement it. Or I've got another hot video. It's called How to Use Facebook Advertising for Beginners, a complete Facebook advertising tutorial. So that's the title, right? So somebody typing that in, they're specifically looking for that. Okay, now when I go through and generate a lead, I know that they're interested in Facebook advertising. They're kind of maybe at the beginner stage, and I can offer them something of value to help them out with that. So the same thing goes for you and your business. Let's say you're a real estate agent, you're a local chiropractor, dentist, whatever it is, you can go through and put a video or even a blog post that's going to be ranked in Google that's going to be specific to your city, your community, and what you help people solve. So like homes for sale in Denver, Colorado. Okay, if you're targeting that keyword, 6 months from now, if you're ranking in the top 2 to 3 positions in Google, people are going to continually click on your website that you're able to go through and optimize for lead generation, which is super powerful, as opposed to going through and making a post on Facebook or Instagram and you say, hey, are you looking to go through or buy or sell a home in Denver, Colorado? Reach out to me, connect with me, and that post goes and it's posted. It's relevant for about 2 to 3 days max, and then it's completely gone unless you put a lot of money behind it in advertising. Now, the third thing, guys, why it's so powerful with Google and YouTube, and Facebook and Instagram have this, but it's not to the same effect and degree, right? Because of the reasons we talked about before, and that is retargeting. So that video I showed you guys a little bit earlier on Facebook pixels, right? I've got over 30,000 people that have watched that, and I haven't spent a dollar or a dime or what a penny to even go through and promote that video. Okay, so I've got over 30,000 people, that this massive audience of people that I can go and retarget to, that I haven't spent any money to have them go and create that audience for me. Okay, so now with Google AdWords and YouTube ads, what I can do is go back and set up an ad campaign, and literally just a penny per view, I can get a lot of people watching my advertisement, watching my video, and spending literally just like $2 to $5 per day, hardly any money, but getting that attention back to my video, back to my business, back to my brand. Whereas with a Facebook post or an Instagram post, same type of concept, right? Like you can go through and create that audience, you can get that retargeting, you can do all that stuff, but if you don't put money behind it, that audience is really not gonna grow that big. And with Google and YouTube, it can just grow completely organically. Anyway, guys, so those are the 3 reasons why I believe you're brand new, completely starting from scratch, and you don't have any money to invest in advertising, that you should go through and lean on Google and YouTube as opposed to maybe Facebook and Instagram as you're going through and building your following, building your brand for your business. Now, the thing is, and we'll do this maybe next week, but Facebook and Instagram, guys, is still super powerful. If you're looking for those quick results, and if you have some money to go through and invest in advertising, that is the best, fastest way to go through, not only generate leads, but get solid results for your business. So don't count that out completely, but just keep that in mind. If you have money to invest in advertising, I would be all over Facebook, I'd be all over Instagram. If you're looking for building a long-term following, I'd be all over Google and YouTube, just because of the nature of everything I just explained a little bit earlier. And obviously with this all, it's like anything in life, right? It either takes time or it takes money. So with Google YouTube route, you gotta be a little bit patient. You gotta know that it's gonna take a little bit longer route to go through, get videos ranked and get all that stuff happening, because over the last 6 months, I've done a lot of videos, and I've got just a few that are ranking super high, but are bringing in a majority of my traffic to my channel. So just keep that in mind, versus if you want speed, you don't want to wait and have the patience and spend all that time, you can go through and spend money. And you can do that with Google and YouTube as well. I just have found that Facebook and Instagram are absolutely so hot right now. It's a great platform to be on. And obviously I've got so many videos on that on this channel, so you guys can go through and check those out. Now for the bonus, guys, thanks for staying here to the end. Down in my comment, I have linked out to a video that I've made specifically for you guys on how I go through and rank my videos on YouTube, how I find the keywords, how to know which keywords to go through and target, which ones are getting traffic, how to go through and optimize them so they're actually ranking at the top of Google, how to get a good amount of views early on. So go check that link out down in the comment section. And if you guys don't mind commenting, just drop a comment, let me know what you guys think of this video. It's a little bit different style than I've kind of typically done. I've done some little like cuts right throughout the video. And so let me know what you guys think. Also, If you guys want to give this a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It would help this video get so much more exposure so it can help out a lot more people. So also, if you guys are brand new here to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe because we launch new videos every single week on how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. So thanks so much guys for watching. With that said, we will see you all later.